Alright, we're going to attach an MKR diode to the new SyncPad MKR board that they were kind enough to give me. Alright, first order of business. We're going to try to prepare some of this area. Now, since I don't have solder paste, what I'm going to do is I am using 6236-2 silver bearing solder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just try to slightly tend the lead a bit. And that might have been too much, but we will see. Try to drag some of that onto the trace over there. I'm not very adept at this, so you'll have to forgive me. If you are screaming right now going, "This is sloppy work." Yes, I know, but the beauty of it is it doesn't need to be perfect. Let's clean off that little solder bridge right there, though. I don't want that. No, do not. Okay. Now, let's just put a little bit here. That should be fine. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, that's fine. Let's pretend a couple of leads here. Nope, come on. Don't bridge on me. This is just to make it look good. Alright. Now I want plenty of electrical contact on the actual power pads. Alright. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to give this an initial flow. So 1200 watts. Let's not get it right on top of the thing. You want it about 2 inches away from the bottom. You want this to heat up slowly. You don't want like massive thermal shock making your masking peel away here. So basically just wait, and we see that is starting to reflow. And for the most part, that's alright. Alright, now, one thing I'm not happy about is that this did not completely go down. I'm going to spread some of this around, because I want as much contact as possible between the LED and the board. There we go. That's better. Okay, good. Now, what is it? What's you doing? Okay. Now, let's take this. Make sure we got our positive to our positive, negative to our negative. Alright, that's going to be picky on me. So let's take this, and we'll just use a pair of needle nose. Cool thing is, we don't have to be perfect, but I'd like it to at least be on there. See, this is why you need solder paste. This would actually be a lot faster. It would be just put paste on, heat it up, or put paste on, put part on, heat it up, go. This one, no, it's a little more temperamental, so. Alright, and I'm just going to, again, keep this at about 2 inches away. We're going to weigh it until we see everything reflow, and we'll see that LED kind of drop down as surface tension pulls it in. we go. We're starting to flux. We have fluxed. The LED has been pulled in. And we give it a minute and let that board cool down. Everything appears to be fine. I actually had to pull this off of another board because my initial joint wasn't so good. Now I'm taking a look and that looks okay. The only thing I need to do now is pretty much check for solder bridging. And my easiest way of doing that is to take, where did I put that adapter? I have a nice 100 milliamp adapter here, so I can drive this at 1 watt. It's a 12 volt LED, and this is 12 volts at 100 milliamps, so well, 1.2, but still close enough. Let's make sure that my connection was a success. Of course, I probably have that backwards, or do I just, yeah, I probably have that backwards. Alright, here we go. Perfect. Very good at 100 milliamps. Alright, that is pretty much how to get it done. The only thing I would have to do next would be just to solder wires, and good to go.